Hi guys, so we're gonna make an unboxing video for this Gemilai coffee machine CRM 3605. This is a semi-automatic China brand coffee machine. So as you can see, this is the coffee machine already took out from the box. So it has a good packaging with this other box and also this inner part of the box. Yeah, so it looks good and safe also. They provide all this plastic cover inside. So yeah, so it comes with this one double basket portafilter. I don't know why they don't provide the single basket portafilter, but it looks okay. And also no tamper, so they provide this scoop with a plastic tamper, I guess, if you want to use it with this one. And yeah, there is this one rubber here, so I believe this one is for you to do the back flushing. Instead of using a blind portafilter, you can just use this rubber to cover the filter here. And the last one here is, I think it's the brush to clean the machine. Okay, that's all. And this is the manual. Unfortunately, it's only in Chinese, but you still can download the English version of the manual somewhere in the internet. Here's how the manual looks like. Okay, so in Chinese. And there's also this one plate here, metal plate. I'm not sure what is the function of this metal plate. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. But it's actually fit here on top of the machine, so maybe the purpose is to put it there, but I don't know, let's see. And I can see that it has some sort of QC certificate here, so maybe it's gone through some sort of QC process for all the products that come out from the factory, so it's a good news. So here it is, the machine. So this is the on and off button, hot water button. This one is the for you to extract the espresso, and this one is for frothing here with the lever. And this is the steam one here. Looks pretty decent, but of course the material is seems very plasticky here, but that's what we paid for the price. And also it has the timer here, so you don't really have to time when you do the extraction, both for the frothing as well as the espresso. Yeah, and at the back here you have the 1.7 liter water tank. Okay, that's it guys, the unboxing video for today. So let me know what you think about this product in the comment section. Thanks for watching.